When people start learning cloud, they ask, which cloud is the best? But the real question is, best for who and for what? Because choosing a cloud platform isn't about hype, it's about context. And in this video, I will help you find your context. Hi, I'm Anna, and I have 14 AWS certifications, 13 Azure certifications, and 7 GCP certifications. And I'm also a Golden Cupstronaut. So let's go back to the video. Why this matters? Whether you are moving from on-prem to cloud, building a startup, or deciding which certifications to pursue, the first cloud you choose will shape what jobs you qualify for, how steep your learning curve is, and how expensive mistakes become. I have worked with multiple cloud platforms across different projects, and I have seen how the same decision can work brilliantly or fail badly, depending on the situation. What we will cover? Instead of ranking clouds, we will look at what each platform is optimized for, where it fits best in the real world, and who should avoid it early on. No loyalty, no brand wars. Let's start with a simple framing. Think of AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud as solving the same problems, but from different angles. They all offer virtual machines, storage, networking, databases, AI and analytics. The difference is how they are packaged and who they are built for. AWS is usually the first name people hear, and for good reason. It's extremely broad, highly configurable, and everywhere. AWS works well when you want maximum flexibility, you don't know exactly how your system will evolve, you are targeting startups, SaaS, or global products. The trade-off, AWS can feel overwhelming at first, but power comes with complexity. Azure feels very different, and that's intentional. It's built to integrate deeply with existing corporate Microsoft tooling, hybrid environments. Azure makes sense when you are in a Microsoft-heavy organization, you are migrating existing systems, you need tight identity and compliance controls. It's often the smoothest transition for traditional companies. Google Cloud isn't trying to be everything, it's focused. GCP stands out when data is central to your product. Performance and networking matter. You care about clean developer experience. It's especially popular in data teams, machine learning heavy workload, Kubernetes first environments. The trade-off is smaller ecosystem and fewer beginner-friendly paths. Aren't they all basically the same? At a surface level, yes. They all have virtual machines, serverless compute, managed databases. But learning one cloud is like learning a language. Once you understand the concepts, switching becomes much easier. That's why starting with one platform deeply is far better than skimming all three. What about data centers and performance? This matters more than people think. AWS has massive global coverage. Azure is extremely diverse. Google has some of the fastest networks in the world. If your users are global or latency sensitive, this alone can influence your decision. Pricing, the truth. All three use pay-as-you-go, discounts for long-term commitments. The real cost difference usually comes from architecture choices, misconfigured resources, inexperience. Cloud is expensive when you don't understand it, not because of the provider. An alternative most people ignore. Not every project needs a hyperscaler. For small teams, early startups, side projects, simpler platforms can sometimes be a better first step. The key is matching scale to reality, not ambition. So, which cloud should you pick? Here's my honest, simplified advice. If you want the most opportunities, start with AWS. If you are in corporate IT or Microsoft environments, go for Azure. If you are data first or machine learning focused, Google Cloud. And if you're still stuck, pick one, commit for a year, cloud skills compound. Pro tip, I would also look on LinkedIn for the cloud provider that has more job offers in your region or the region that you want to work for. I would focus on that. This is because this increases your chances for success. Final thoughts. The cloud you choose won't define your career. Your consistency will. Every expert you see today started by making one imperfect choice and learning deeply from it. Which cloud are you learning toward and why? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped you think more clearly, a like really helps the channel. See you in the next one.